Penny, be nice, Penny.
He locked her up. You see that?
Penny.
Get him, Sam. Don't let him get you. That was so cute. Did you see the way he rolled under?
Penny, he don't want to play no more.
Look, he's going to stop her if he wants.
Oh.
I told you.
Penny.
Don't. Hold on. Watch him, Sam. Look at his dude.
He just pushes her. Junior's like, wow, what's going on? Film June too. He's like, don't know what's going on with June.
Hold him, Sam. You gotta hold him. Hold him down. Hold her down. He's loving it. Penny, where'd he go?
Don't eat the shoe, Penny. I want her to pick it up.
Where'd he go, Penny?
She's gonna try to run with it.
Hey.